Alrighty, we're looking at our first example, and it's asking us to evaluate the natural log of e to the third power. Well, to answer this, you want to recall what is that natural log, and sometimes it's helpful to write it out. ln, natural log, is really just log base e. So we've substituted that in. Now you can convert this to exponential form. That would be e to the x power is e to the third power, which you should see means x has to be 3 if we want those two statements to be true. Example 2. What is, or evaluate, the natural log of 4.38? Ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do for this one is plug it into your calculator. It should look like this picture here when you type that in. It is 1.4770. That one was really fast. Let's look now at example 3. In this example, we're asked to solve 6 to raised to the power of 2x minus 1, and it's equal to 3. To solve this, you could take different approaches, but I want to show you this strategy. Take the natural log of each side. Then apply that power property. So the 2x minus 1 is now being multiplied by ln 6. If you start the process of solving, you're going to divide that natural log of 6 on each side, which gives you a decimal amount, and try not to round until the very end. Adding 1 will give you 1.61315, and then just divide by 2. You should get approximately 0.8066. Here's another example. The natural log of 5x equals 2. We want to solve. We're solving for x. I would encourage you to use the definition of natural logs here. ln is really log base e. Then you can convert to exponential form. E squared equals 5x. And solve for x. You're just going to take e squared and divide it by 5. Using your calculator, you'll get that to be about 1.4778. And our last example. We are solving for x in the natural log equation, which is 2 ln x minus ln 5 equals 4. We want to apply the properties of logarithms. I know that these are natural logs, but the properties still apply. It's still a logarithm. So you're going to raise x to the second power using that power property, and then you will divide because you're subtracting 2 logs. You can then convert this to exponential form, remembering that your base here in your natural log is e. E to the 4 is x squared divided by 5. If you multiply each side by 5, that's getting x a little bit more by itself. You're going to take the square root of that value, and using your calculator you should get about 16.5224. Alright, that's all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope that these examples are beneficial and helpful for you. If you had any questions, write them down and we'll talk about them in class. Thanks.